Hello, today we will do the test of starch in food material. So let's get started. Now firstly we have potato in a petri dish. Now we will mash it properly. Now add this mashed potato in a test tube. Now we will add iodine solution in mashed potato. Add some few drops of iodine solution only, not too much. Now we can observe that it is giving black-blue in color. The black-blue color indicates that it has presence of starch in this food materials. Now we will do the test of fat in food. So the materials we need are filter paper and a food. Now we will dip the filter paper into food. Now you can observe that an oily patch is on filter paper. An oily patch shows that the food contains fat. Now we will do the protein test in food materials. So firstly, the materials we required are test tube, food material, copper sulfate solution and sodium hydroxide. Now first we will take a clean test tube and add few amount of food material in it. Now we will first add copper sulfate solution in the food material. Now we will wait for some time. Now we will add sodium hydroxide in it. Now in observation, you can see the violet color of this food material. The violet color indicates that the food material contains protein. Thank you.